Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to invest in Canadian high dividend ETFs using the Moomoo application. So once I open up Moomoo, I go to the bottom left and press on the Markets icon. Once I'm here, I slide the top bar to where it says ETFs. After that, I scroll down to where it says High Dividend Yields. This section shows a variety of high-paying dividend ETFs available in Canada. From here, I can sort and filter based on dividend yield, frequency, like monthly or quarterly payouts, pay dates, ex-dates, pricing, turnover, and other useful metrics. Everything is displayed clearly, making it easy for me to compare different options side by side. If I'm looking for consistent income or passive cash flow, this section gives me a strong overview of what's currently available. Of course, I always take time to review each ETF carefully and understand what I'm investing in before making any decisions. This is how I find, analyze, and invest in Canadian high-dividend ETFs on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps. In general, dividend investing focuses on income stability, yield consistency, reinvestment strategies, and balancing growth with reliable passive returns over time.